Hi, I'm Desiree, your natural remedy advisor. I'm here to talk with you today about how to make hair conditioner with herbs. First, we're going to start off with an infusion, and my choice is rosemary. Rosemary is really great for improving circulation, and it also inhibits gray hair, which is something great for some of us. When you make your infusion, you want to bring the rosemary to boiling. And then turn off the heat, cover it, and let it steep for 10 to 20 minutes. Once the infusion is ready, you'll want to strain it into a double boiler. And lightly heat the infusion while you add 1 tablespoon of jojoba oil. After the jojoba oil and infusion are heated, you want to add them to a blender. And at this point, you want to add about 20 drops of vitamin E oil. And your essential oil of choice. I've chosen ginger today, also another one that increases circulation. And increasing circulation to the scalp is a really good thing because it's brings blood there, which brings nourishment, which makes for healthy hair. So 10 drops of your essential oil. Then you want to turn the blender on for 2 minutes at a high speed. Once your hair conditioner is blended, you want to transfer it into an empty conditioner bottle and just use it regularly as you would any conditioner by applying it to clean, wet hair, leaving it on for a few minutes, and then styling it as usual. This is especially helpful for you if you use curling irons or flattening irons or even a blow dryer every day. I'm Desiree, and this is how to make your hair conditioner with herbs.